As a passionate home cook and self-proclaimed kitchen gadget enthusiast, I've always been on the lookout for that one magical appliance that could revolutionize my culinary adventures. When I first heard about the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro, I was intrigued but skeptical. Could this sleek, stainless steel box really be the Swiss Army knife of kitchen appliances it claimed to be? With its promise of 13 cooking functions, smart features, and the ability to replace multiple countertop devices, I knew I had to put it to the test. So, I cleared a generous portion of my kitchen counter, bid farewell to my trusty toaster and air fryer, and welcomed the Joule Oven into my culinary world. What followed was a month-long journey of discovery, filled with crispy air-fried delights, perfectly baked pastries, and even a foray into the world of dehydrated fruits. Join me as I share my in-depth experience with this high-tech marvel and explore whether it truly lives up to the hype. Design and build quality. From the moment I unboxed the Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro, I was struck by its premium feel and aesthetic appeal. The brushed stainless steel exterior exudes a professional-grade quality that immediately elevates the look of any kitchen. Measuring 21 multiplied by 17 x 12.8 inches, it's certainly not petite, but I found its footprint to be reasonable given its multifunctionality. The weight of about 23 pounds gives it a substantial presence without making it too cumbersome to move when needed. The build quality is nothing short of impressive. The door has a satisfying heft to it, closing with a soft thud that speaks to its solid construction. The controls, a combination of dials and buttons, feel responsive and well-made. I particularly appreciated the smooth rotation of the main dial, which allows for precise adjustments to time and temperature. The LCD display is a standout feature, offering clear, easy-to-read information even from across the kitchen. Its blue backlight is not only functional, but adds a touch of modern sophistication to the overall design. One minor drawback I encountered was that the accessories, including the air fryer basket and pizza pan, are not dishwasher safe. While this isn't a deal breaker, it does mean a bit more hands-on cleaning time. However, I found that the non-stick interior of the oven itself makes wiping it down a relatively quick and easy task. Features and functionality. The Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro boasts an impressive array of 13 cooking functions: toast, bagel, bake, air fry, broil, roast, pizza, cookies, proof, reheat, slow cook, keep warm, and dehydrate. This versatility is truly where the appliance shines, potentially replacing several standalone devices in your kitchen. At the heart of the Joule Oven's functionality is Breville's Element IQ system. This innovative technology utilizes 6 independent quartz heating elements to direct power where it's needed most. In practice, I found this resulted in more even cooking and faster preheating times compared to my traditional oven. The PID temperature control, a feature often found in high-end ovens, impressed me with its ability to maintain precise and stable temperatures. This level of control is particularly crucial for tasks like baking delicate pastries or slow-cooking tough cuts of meat. The oven's capacity is generous without being overwhelming. It can accommodate up to 9 slices of toast, a 14-pound turkey, or a 13-inch pizza. I found this size to be ideal for my needs, allowing me to prepare anything from quick snacks to full family meals without feeling limited. Smart features and app integration. What truly sets the Joule Oven apart from many of its competitors is its smart functionality. The companion app, available for both iOS and Android devices, offers a wealth of features that enhance the cooking experience. One of my favorite aspects of the app is its extensive library of guided recipes. These step-by-step instructions not only provide inspiration for meals, but also integrate seamlessly with the oven's functions. The Autopilot feature, which automatically adjusts cooking settings as you progress through a recipe, felt like having a sous chef in my kitchen. The ability to control the oven remotely via the app was a feature I initially thought would be gimmicky, but quickly grew to appreciate. Being able to preheat the oven while I was still prepping ingredients or check on cooking progress without leaving my living room proved surprisingly convenient. The oven's compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant adds another layer of futuristic functionality. While I found voice control to be more of a novelty than a necessity, it was undeniably satisfying to ask Alexa to preheat my oven or check on the remaining cooking time. Cooking performance. Over the course of a month, I put the Joule oven through its paces with a wide variety of dishes, and I was consistently impressed with the results. The air frying function, in particular, stood out as a star performer. It produced crispy, golden French fries and chicken wings that rivaled, and in some cases surpassed, the results I've achieved with dedicated air fryers. Baking performance was equally impressive. The even heat distribution resulted in perfectly browned cookies and muffins with no need to rotate pans midway through cooking. The convection feature, which Breville calls superconvection, did an excellent job of circulating hot air, resulting in faster cooking times and more even browning. I was particularly impressed with the oven's ability to roast a whole chicken. The result was a beautifully browned exterior with crispy skin, while the meat remained juicy and flavorful. The pizza function also deserves special mention, consistently producing pizzas with crispy crusts and perfectly melted cheese. While the toasting function was good, it wasn't exceptional. I found that it took slightly longer than a dedicated toaster to achieve the same level of browning, and the results weren't always perfectly even. However, the ability to toast up to 9 slices at once is a significant advantage for larger households or when entertaining. The slow cook function was a pleasant surprise. While I was initially skeptical about slow cooking in a countertop oven, the results were on par with my dedicated slow cooker. A beef stew I prepared came out tender and flavorful after 8 hours on low heat. Temperature control and accuracy. The Joule oven offers a wide temperature range from 80 degrees Fahrenheit to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, covering everything from low temperature dehydrating to high heat broiling. I found the temperature control to be impressively accurate and responsive, with minimal fluctuations during cooking. To test the accuracy, I used an external oven thermometer and found that the actual temperature consistently matched the set temperature within a few degrees. This level of precision is crucial for tasks like baking bread or tempering chocolate, where even small temperature variations can significantly affect the outcome. The PID temperature control system deserves special mention for its ability to maintain consistent heat. This feature was particularly noticeable when baking delicate items like souffles, where temperature stability is key to achieving the perfect rise and texture. Ease of use. Despite its array of features and functions, I found the Joule oven surprisingly intuitive to use. The interface, with its combination of dials and buttons, is well designed and logical. The large LCD display provides clear information about current settings and cooking progress, eliminating any guesswork. The app integration adds another layer of user-friendliness, especially for those who enjoy following recipes or are new to cooking. The step-by-step instructions and automatic oven adjustments take much of the uncertainty out of preparing complex dishes. One small but appreciated feature is the internal light, which allows for easy monitoring of food without opening the door and losing heat. The light is bright enough to clearly see the progress of your cooking, which is particularly useful when baking items that require precise timing. Durability and longevity. While my experience with the Joule oven spans only a month, the quality of materials and construction suggests that it's built to last. The robust feel of the controls, the solid door mechanism, and the overall heft of the appliance all point to a product designed for long-term use. Breville offers a 2-year warranty on the Joule oven, which provides some peace of mind regarding potential defects or issues. In my research, I found that long-term users of similar Breville ovens reported that their appliances continue to perform well after several years of regular use, which bodes well for the Joule oven's longevity. Energy efficiency. The Joule oven is rated at 1800 watts, which is typical for appliances of this type and size. While it may consume more energy than a simple toaster for small tasks, its ability to replace multiple appliances could lead to overall energy savings in your kitchen. I appreciated the quick preheat times, which not only saved time but also contributed to energy efficiency. The oven typically reached the desired temperature in 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the setting. This efficiency, combined with a precise temperature control, means you're not wasting energy on unnecessarily long cooking times or overheating. Value for money. With a price tag of around $500, the Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro is undoubtedly a significant investment for most home cooks. However, when considering its versatility and the potential to replace several other appliances, toaster, air fryer, slow cooker, and potentially even your main oven for many tasks, the value proposition becomes more attractive. For serious home cooks, frequent entertainers, or those with limited kitchen space, the convenience and cooking quality offered by the Joule Oven could well justify the price. The smart features and app integration add further value, especially for tech-savvy users who appreciate the ability to control and monitor their cooking remotely. However, if you're on a tight budget or only need basic toasting and reheating functions, there are certainly cheaper options available that might better suit your needs. So, should you buy it? After a month of intensive use, I can confidently say that the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro has earned its place as a centerpiece in my kitchen. Its combination of versatility, smart features, and excellent cooking performance sets it apart in the crowded field of countertop appliances. The ability to air fry, bake, roast, and perform a host of other cooking functions in a single appliance is a game changer, especially for those with limited kitchen space. The smart features and app integration, while not essential, add a layer of convenience and precision that many will appreciate. There are a few minor drawbacks, such as the non-dishwasher safe accessories and the somewhat uneven toasting performance. The high price point may also be a barrier for some potential buyers. However, for those who can justify the investment, the Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro offers a premium cooking experience that can elevate your home cooking to new heights. Whether you're a tech-savvy chef, a busy parent looking to streamline meal preparation, or simply someone who appreciates quality kitchen tools, this smart oven is definitely worth considering. In my experience, the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro has not only met but exceeded my expectations, becoming an indispensable tool in my daily cooking routine. It's not just a jack of all trades, but a master of many, delivering consistent, high-quality results across a wide range of cooking tasks. As I reflect on my month-long journey with this appliance, I'm reminded of the joy of cooking and how the right tools can inspire culinary creativity. The Joule Oven has reignited my passion for experimenting in the kitchen, encouraging me to try new recipes and techniques. While it may not be the perfect solution for everyone, for those who love to cook and appreciate the intersection of technology and culinary arts, the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro is a worthy investment that promises to transform your cooking experience.